Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Licata and I'm an HP Solutions Specialist on the HP PSG team here at Ingram Micro. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what Ingram Micro and HP are doing for sustainability. Ingram Micro and HP have partnered together to create a global partnership to focus on sustainability. Ingram Micro's key accomplishments include exceedance of solid waste and renewable energy targets, a rise in the number of facilities tracking and reporting sustainability metrics, and increased charitable donations. HP's sustainability strategy is focused on climate change, human rights, and digital equity. Part of HP's plan includes reaching carbon neutrality and zero waste in HP operations by 2025, maintaining zero deforestation for HP paper, achieving 50-50 gender equality in HP leadership, and accelerating digital equity for 150 million people by the year 2030. HP Amplify Pledge is a new program by HP which leverages HP's sustainability investment, expertise, and resources, which allow partners the opportunity to fast forward their own sustainability programs, thereby saving hundreds of thousands of dollars over years of development time. You can find out more about the HP Amplify Partner Program on the HP Portal website. Now, some of you may be asking, why Ingram Micro? Well, Ingram Micro has Ingram Micro champions to assist partners in signing up for the HP Amplify Pledge and Assessment. On top of that, we have 15 dedicated HP reps, not counting our Manila rep. We have the largest on-order stock in the industry. We even have dedicated specialists focused on displays, care packs, and thin clients. Again, my name is Christopher Licata on the HP PSG team. Stay tuned for next week's vlog as we continue to deliver you exciting new content. Thank you.